Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for November 7th, 2016. For your Monday, start of the new work week, we're going to have mostly sunny skies, actually bright sunshine today. I don't think you're going to see much of any clouds because we're going to have this strong high pressure at 1,031 millibars sitting right over top of the area. So that will allow for a blue skies day. Very nice day today. Temperatures are going to be kind of close to where they should be for this time of year, near normal temperatures, and the winds will be light because that high pressure is sitting over top of the area. That is going to start to drift to the south of the region. The overnight hours is going to set up shop to the south here on Tuesday. So what that's going to do is allow temperatures to warm up a little bit once we get Tuesday, and it's going to be a situation where we have we have clear skies overnight. Here's a look at Tuesday. You can see the high pressure now off to the south is centered in this direction. We also have a cold front that's going to be moving through on Wednesday, but out ahead of it, since the cold front's situated back here like this, you're going to have that also helps these winds come in from like the west southwest here around the high pressure and ahead of the cold front. So that's going to warm up temperatures quite a bit here on Tuesday. Probably about 10 degrees or so warmer than what they were on Monday. So near normal today, about 10 degrees above normal by the time we get to Tuesday, but still mostly sunny on Tuesday. We have this cold front that's going to be pretty quickly moving from west to east. This is a look at Tuesday evening, and here's the overnight hours. Early Wednesday morning, I think this starts coming in, at least to our western counties. Cold front situated back here like this. Out ahead of it, you have some lighter showers. Now, this is not a big deal here, but there will be some light showers moving through, and as this moves eastward, it's going to be losing steam again. But you can see some lighter grays. These could just be just some isolated showers here. Now, not a big deal overall. This is still looking at Wednesday morning, however. As we go to the next frame here in Wednesday afternoon, it's consolidating further south and east with the precipitation, and then moving offshore on Wednesday evening. So we don't think we're going to get a big drop in temperatures behind this. I think we go back down to near normal. But we'll probably be near normal on Wednesday anyway, just because of the mostly cloudy conditions and the chance for those showers. So back to near normal again on Wednesday, and then it remains that way most likely on Thursday and Friday. And then we're going to have a huge trough axis. It's going to drop a cold front southward here during the day on Friday. It's going to get breezy toward the end of the week as we get into Friday. And once this drops down from the south, this is just a trough axis is going to settle in to the northeast U.S., and that's going to be on Saturday and to some extent Sunday as well. We're going to get some really cold air coming in here, actually cold for this time of year. Not just near normal. We're going to be talking about temperatures below normal, quite a bit below normal, in fact. That's because you have, looking at, this is taking a look at the ensembles, you're going to have a lot of warmth up here and a big ridge up here in Canada, and a deep trough that's going to start digging southward. Now, the one thing that's the saving grace here, this the source region of this cold is not brutal cold up in this area, okay? If it was coming from over here and then coming down to the south and east, it would have a lot more cold with it, but this is still going to be cold in its own right. As it moves down to the southeast here, here's a look at, as we get into Saturday, here's a look at Saturday morning, and you can see the core of that cold sitting right over top of the area. So we're going to be struggling to get out of the 40s. In most places, even in Philadelphia, will have highs in the 40s here on Saturday. Some places might not get out of the 30s in the far northern areas, but it'll be a very chilly day here on Saturday. I do think you're moderate a couple degrees here Sunday as this starts to pull out. Still under the influence of that, though, so I do expect it to remain chilly. Might be a few degrees warmer, though, than it was on Saturday. But a very chilly weekend coming in. And then as we get into the very extended range here, we're going to warm up a little bit going into early next week. But then I do think we get this cooler regime coming here as we get closer to Thanksgiving. It might not be Thanksgiving till it might not have to wait till Thanksgiving to get the cooler air in here, but a good signal that we get some really cool air relative to normal as we get closer to Thanksgiving. So that pattern change that we were talking about occurring might be occurring in that maybe the second to last week or last week of November, and there's signs of that will happen as we're getting into the extended range of the ensembles. We keep an eye on it, but right now it looks like the only chance of precipitation that we're going to be dealing with here in the next week is going to be around this cold front that's going to come here on Wednesday, and that's it. No other precipitation here straight through the weekend, and this is not looking like a lot either. So at most maybe 1/10 of an inch or If you're lucky down south, maybe 0.2 of an inch, but that's about it. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for November 7th, 2016. Have a great Monday.